Hi everybody, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and in this video I would like to speak about how you can see what your child downloads on the computer. Yeah, there's a lot of reason that you might want to know what your child downloads on the computer without restricting it. And what I recommend to you is that you download a monitoring software such as wolfeye. Yeah, you can download it free from our website wolfeye.de. See here the website wolfeye.de. And basically what this software does, it allows you, if you install it on the computer of your child, you will be able to see the live screen of your child's computer uh, in any browser. You will get a link, and in the browser you see the live screen. So you will be able to see the computer live screen of your child from any device, from your smartphone, from another computer. And that way you will keep track of everything that your child does on the computer and of any potential harmful download that they do. And the software also allows you to make screenshots on a regular basis. For example, every 5 minutes, every 3 minutes, the software does a screenshot and saves it to the server. So you will be able to check it later at a later time. So that's it. That's what I do recommend you if you need to check and to monitor what your child downloads on the computer. I hope this helps. If you have any question about this, just contact me on our website, wolfeye.de. There you will find the contact information, and I will be happy to help.